Right way to use Toner Pro Handheld Body Massager HM210. Start by connecting the device to a power outlet. Turn the power dial clockwise to switch on the device. Adjust the massage speed as needed. To change the massage heads, first disconnect the device from the power source. Remove the mesh cover by turning it anti-clockwise. Gently pull out the existing massage head and attach the desired head securely. Now, place the mesh cover back and turn it clockwise to lock it properly. The flat head is suitable for face and abdomen massage. The wavy head helps with deep tissue massage and improves blood circulation. The ball head works best with essential oils for muscle relaxation. The mesh cover helps prevent hair entanglement during massage. And the microfilar head helps remove dead skin and calluses from dry feet. After use, turn the power dial anti-clockwise to switch off the device and unplug it. Wipe the device with a soft dry cloth and store it in a cool, dry place. Thank you.